It's an iconic Hallberg-Rassy. Need I say any more? Let's just take a minute to experience how beautiful these boats really are. Welcome on board. This is a 1990 Hallberg-Rassey 312 Mark II. I don't need to say much about this boat, they speak for themselves. But wow, you know a Hallberg-Rassey when you walk up to one. The iconic teak decks and the fixed spray screen just sheltering you in the cockpit. Absolutely beautiful. These boats are well known for their build quality, their sea kindliness. These boats will take you places. Let's have a look around. So as usual, we'll start here in the companionway, and we are looking into the saloon. We have the chart table here, and we have the galley here. Let's head on down. The first thing that you will see, I am sure, is the build. The build quality is exceptional. I mean, it made Hallberg-Rassey, didn't it? It's just unbelievable. The woodwork finish is beautiful. You see the boat from the outside, instantly recognizable, and that quality just runs straight the way through into the boat. Absolutely beautiful. This is a late Mark II, so she's had some modifications from the Mark I from factory. Yes, and what a good sized saloon. You've got a centre table, drop leaf, not dissimilar to the Moody 31. And then you have two seats, one each side. But we've got a lovely wide walk-through here and a slight return to the seats on this side, so you get a bit of an L shape and you can seat a few more people, which is really good. Plenty of storage. Hallberg-Rassey, they know what they're doing. They know that cruising boats need storage, so you'll find it absolutely everywhere. And the quality of the woodwork just carries on throughout the whole boat. This berth actually converts into a double. So the back comes up, you can see the hinges, great big solid stainless steel hinges there. That lifts up, there's an infill piece that goes here, and that turns into quite a good sized double. And then you've got a single, again, this lifts up just the same, picks up, and you've got a nice wide single berth there should you need it. While we're in the saloon, I'll turn around and show you the galley. What a nice sized galley, and because they've incorporated the area where the companionway steps are coming down, you've got additional workspace, worktop space, which is really nice. Double sink here with hot cold running water, top loading fridge, and a really good gas oven there. Storage as usual, absolutely everywhere, all solid wood in really nice condition. Companionway steps here, nice, deep, easy to manage steps. and engine access underneath here. We'll have a look, seeing as we're here. Volvo Penta 2003. These are a really common engine to be fitted to boats of this age, and what a good engine they are. You look after them and they will look after you. So this boat is sail drive, so if I can get my camera in here, you'll see the sail drive down there. For those of you interested in this boat, that's all in really nice condition, and the bellows have been done and everything. She's fully serviced. So there is your Volvo Penta engine. Okay, let's put that back. That's lovely because you've got nice working space there now as well. And to the other side we have the chart table. So loads of drawer storage for all your chart navigation gear, and lift up chart table for your chart storage under there as usual. Instrumentation areas and switchboards for the boat down here. Now you sit here when you're navigating, and when you're not navigating, that is a berth, a nice size single berth. This is a spare sail. These are cockpit cushions, which are just stored on the boat because she is for sale. We need these things on board to show people. So that's our chart table area. So let's swing back around and walk forward. So you're walking through a companionway. You've got really nice size hanging wardrobes here, shelf above, and opposite you have the heads. Spectacular. What else did you expect? That is beautiful. Solid wood, really quality fit out, high quality fit out. Massive sink, hot and cold running water, marine heads, and storage galore. Lovely size mirror, and then you've got a shared hatch here, and a window, an opening window, port light there. Fantastic. So, just want to show you the quality of these fixtures and fittings. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So we're moving forward. We're into the forward cabin. So we have a privacy door here. And then this is made up into a double, but it will act as two singles to form a V berth. We've got a nice size forward cabin here. Again, the quality fit out as you would expect in a Hallberg-Rassy. Lockers and lovely wood panelling all the way around with storage. Beautiful fit out. Hatch there. Lovely headlining. It's just all really, really nice, really well fitted out and in really good condition for the age of the boat, considering this is a 1990. I mean, I can't believe it's a 1990, you know, you would think it's just a few years old. It's amazing. Let's go up on deck. Look at that, beautiful. Teak-laid decks. Tiller, of course, tiller steering. Stainless steel davits. Outboard engine mount. Just hang off the transom there. You've got some steps to get back up on board. And a gate, an opening gate here. Looking forward from where you would helm the boat. Look at that. The glass spray shield makes a huge difference. You've got 100% visibility. Absolutely fantastic. And the middle section here that opens up as well, so you can get some ventilation through if you want to on those really hot sailing days. Lines are led back. You got a GPS mount here. Instrumentation here. Lazarette storage under here, and you have access under here to the sail drive, which I will show. Now, I told you this was in good shape. You could eat your dinner off that. That's lockable for when you're at sea. Obviously, in the marina, there's no point in locking it. Okay, let's go out on deck. Oh, you've got engine controls here as well. So up onto these iconic decks. I mean, look how wide they are. It's amazing. It's beautiful to walk around. Crystal clear hatches. In-mast furling in the main. Radome. I'll never get bored of that view. Let's go forward here because we've got an electric anchor windlass with foot controls, and then an anchor locker here. So there's your gas. For those of you thinking, where's the gas storage on this boat? And anchor chain goes all the way down there. Anchor and on the bow roller, standard. The quality of these fittings. And these are Hallberg-Rassy original. It's just water. This is what you pay for. Yes, they are a bit more money than others, but this is what you pay for. Quality. Big self-tailing winches. And we're back in the cockpit. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. She is a special boat, I think you'll agree. Hallberg-Rassey 312 from 1990. If you enjoy these tours, please do look at our channel because I take full walk around tours of all sorts of different boats. This boat, the Hallberg-Rassey, she is for sale. So I'll pop some details up here and you can get in touch if you are interested in buying. And if you want to see some of our other videos, I'll put them here so you can have a little look at those. And please do subscribe if you like my content. It does mean a lot and makes a big difference to the channel. If you would like to see something in particular, put your comments down below. I'd like to know what you think. And don't forget to like and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. We will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.